Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite ways to use washi tape in journaling. So these are some ideas that I've shared before in an older video. So I'm kind of just remaking and adding a few extra ideas to that. Sometimes it's nice to just have a bit of a refresher. Before we jump into that, I just wanted to share some new tapes from the washi tape shop. These were sent to me from the washi tape shop, and you can get 10% off your order with the washi tape shop using the code johanna10. I did film a little unboxing video of the box that they sent me, but I accidentally lost the footage. So here I'm just giving you a glance at all of the new tapes that I got, and a bunch of these tapes are actually rolls of stickers. So as you can see with some of these tapes, you can just peel off the individual stickers off the roll, and then some of them are just full rolls of tape. And then in this package I also was sent a couple of little stamps. They came in these really cute little sort of velvety drawstring bag, and they have a really beautiful vintage vibe to them. So there is 2 butterfly stamps and a little wreath stamp with the flowers, which is really pretty. And the washi tape shop has tons of different tapes on their site, but they also have other things as well, like these stamps. And I've shared before some little tickets and things from them, so go and check them out, and you can use the code johanna10 to get 10% off whatever you order from the washi tape shop. So now jumping into the ideas, the first idea for using washi tape is to do a washi swatch page. And I always love to do this whenever I get new tapes. Just swatch the tapes across the page. That way when you've used them all up, you still have that little record of them to look back on. Or sometimes I just like to do a page of all of my current favorite washi tapes. It's just a really fun page to put together. The next idea, a really obvious one, is to use washi tape to stick things down in your journal. So as you can see here, I'm just sticking a few different things down on this one page, and I like to put one piece of tape on the front side and then one piece of tape on the back side, just to make it super strong. So you can use tapes to stick down photos and other bits of ephemera in your journal, and you can also use tapes to create pockets. So the first pocket you see me making is a really simple pocket with a piece of scrap paper and 3 bits of tape around the sides. And the second pocket I'm making here is with a page that already exists in my journal. I'm just taking the 2 pages and sticking the edges together with a wide washi tape to create a really nice full-sized pocket. The next idea is to use washi tapes to create backgrounds, and you can do this with a selection of tapes and create a background by sticking them all beside each other. Or you can do what I've done here and taken a wide tape and stuck them side by side to fill the page. And the next idea is to use tapes to create a border or a frame, and you can easily do this just by taking a tape and sticking strips around either a photo or some ephemera, or even just on a blank page to create a border. And it's just a really quick way to add some decoration and some color and patterns to the page. The next idea is to use tape to easily add extra pages to your journal. You can see that I'm doing this with a large envelope and some wide tape, and I'm just putting a strip of tape on one side, sticking it into the center of the journal, and then flipping it over and adding another strip of tape on the back just to make sure it's in nice and strong. And you can do this with things that you want to add to your journal, or just big pieces of paper or pattern paper or envelopes to add an extra page in if you need more space. The next idea is to use tapes to make little repairs in your journal. So sometimes you might accidentally have a rip or something might start to tear out, and you can use tapes just to repair those little tears and make sure that it's not going to get any worse. You can stick some tape on one side of the tear or on both sides depending on how bad it is. The next idea is to take tapes and to use them along an edge of a page like you see me doing here, and this is just a really easy way to add a little pop of pattern to the page, and it always looks really neat and feels really nice as well. You can also always use tapes just to reinforce things in your journal. So I do this pretty much on every page. Whenever I stick something into my journal with glue, if I'm not confident that it's stuck down well, I'll just use tape to add that extra reinforcement. So using a combination of glue or some kind of adhesive with a washi tape can really make sure that it's in there nice and strong. So as you see here, I am demonstrating how I do that with journal cards and envelopes and whatever else I'm sticking into my journal. So glue it down and then add a little bit of tape just to make sure that it's not going to come up. And then last of all, you can always just use tape to add decorations and to fill in awkward little spaces left on your pages. So because washi tapes have beautiful patterns, they are really easy just to peel and stick down on a page just to finish it off and to easily and really quickly finish decorating the page. So you can layer them with stickers and just fill in any little awkward gaps that are left on the page. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video on my favorite ways to use washi tapes in your journals, junk journals. If you have any additional ideas that you use all the time, please leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon in my next video.